Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share BeReal on iMessage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up BeReal app. Then right here, tap at your profile picture to open up your profile, and after that just select a BeReal that you want to send via iMessage. I'm just gonna pick the latest one, and now all you have to do in order to share it is right here, just tap at messages. That moves you to new message creator. BeReal is already attached to that message, and all you have to do is right here hit at plus sign and then select some contacts whom you want to share this BeReal with, and once you selected a person, you can just hit at that arrow up icon to send this BeReal to the users that you have selected. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my BeReal tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.